All right, let's review this little baby. First of all, I want you to see how light it is. This is one finger. Okay? So, that's the weight. So, anyone can lift it. You know, you don't have to worry about, you know, if your hands hurt or anything like that, because it takes a very minimal amount of strength to even lift it. So, let's go on. These are your features here. I'm sorry, your features, your numbers for heat. That looks like a fan symbol, so that must be fan. And now I'm turning it so that you can hear it go on. So let's go back to fan. That's fan. This is 1, and this is 2. They're Roman numerals, so you see 1 stick and 2 sticks. Those are Roman numerals, 1 and 2. I can tell you 2 is blazing freaking hot already. Now, I'm going to tip this on purpose because it has a safety feature that says if it falls, it automatically turns off. So let's do that. Let's tip it. You saw it turned itself off? As soon as it thinks you're tipping it, it stops. And look, it went back on. It's a great heater, guys. This is what you want when you think of safety. And maybe even, you know, a child's room. You don't want it to start a fire. This is dope. This is dope as shit. Excuse me.